Today I will help you with the beep sounds which you used to hear while booting our PC. We are discussing it on our Dell PC, but it works on most probably every system. Okay, so while switching on our PC, we used to hear some beep sounds. Like there are different types, like 8 beeps were there, 5 beeps are there. And now today we are going to discuss on how to solve the problem with 5 beeps, which we used 5 times while we are booting a system for switching on, or and also at the time when we are shutting down our PC. Okay, now we can go through a demo. You can just count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's over, and there won't be any problems still while we are using. And of course, for some PCs there will be the problem with the still persists even if we are using our PC. In between, it will beep 5 times. So solution is same for those both problems. Okay. Okay. Now our computer has been booted successfully, and there is no such sounds exist. See, it's completely okay, but for certain PCs it will still continue to beep even if you are logged in. So we'll also discuss the solution for that problem as well. Okay, after successfully booted, we can use any functions such as any applications. For some PCs, as I have already told, there won't be any beep sounds, but for some system there will be some beep problem, and it will continue to exist even if we are logged in. So now let us check what happens if we shut down our PC. Okay, I'm gonna shut down my PC. We just want to know that whether the beep sound exists even if we are shutting down our PC. Yes, okay, now our PC is completely shut down. Now I will tell you the solution for the problem. Now you can for this we need to do some little hard thing on our PC. Like we need to open our PC. For this you we need to keep our screws in a safe place so that we can have it anytime. After unscrewing, you need to open up your dashboard. After opening your keyboard, you just need to separate it from the PC and kept it aside. Now you can see the RAM here, and we need to unscrew 2 more screws for our particular PC. After unscrewing that 2 more screws, we can easily pull our board out. Okay, but there are some connections of our power switch, and of course the power switch, it is connected to the board, so that we need to handle it carefully, or else there's a chance for disconnection and it will cost us a lot. And of course there is a trackpad connector over here. we need to unscrew that as well. It's very easy, just pull the clip and it is easily removable. Similarly do the same with the power switch. Okay, now that's easy. Now we can just pull it over and we can see our main board. So now I think most of you are familiar with the computer main board. This is our hard disk, which we can see. This is RAM, this is our CD-ROM, and this is the cooler fan. And we can see two speakers over here and here. So now for getting rid of this sound, we just need to clear this one. You know, this is the CMOS battery which is seen in almost every PC. It's really easy to remove and it costs only replace it. So I'll just do one thing, I'll just pull it out and I'll replace it with a new one. Now we can see this was our old battery and we here have a new one. So I'll just do one thing, I'll just change this one to the new one. Watch carefully, it's very easy to do. There is no need of such a powerful skill or no need to be an engineer to do this. Everyone can easily do this. Okay, just replace this battery with a new. Okay, after replacing the new battery, we can just do one thing. We can just put everything back to its normal stage. We can cover our top and we just need to connect the power cable and our trackpad cable so that it will work. Now it's ready. We have just connected our trackpad and our power button back. Now we have connected our keyboard as well and we can put it back. Now we can switch it on and we can check whether the PC is ready. I just switched on. See, I think we are not hearing any kind of beep sounds. And the booting is much faster than the previous one. I think our PC is ready and back to its normal stage. There is no beep sound scaling and we can check whether the speaker is working. I think it's working. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it and hope it is helpful for you. Thank you and subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe the channel.